Alright, here we have a 1920s, 30s Westinghouse. This fan is actually a 36-inch model. The blades were actually, I cut the blades out, the original blades had splits, and one of them had a half that's completely gone. But I cut these blades out of door panels. They are solid wood. I need to put another coat of stain on them. But all 3 speeds work on this fan. I don't have a solid state control on it. I just got a 3-speed snap switch. And we'll start off on low. This fan was completely restored, rewired. And, works really good. Glad all 3 speeds work on this one. And this fan is actually, you could put up to 52-inch blades on it. You just have to bend the blade brackets down to a flatter pitch. We're going to go with the medium. There's a pretty good bit of amount of air. This fan originally had a light cut adapter on it. I said I'm not going to use a light kit, so I'm going to put a 3-speed snap switch on it. And we'll go to high. Pretty unique. The bearings are a little bit grimy. I've got oil in it, but I have to clean the bearings out one of these days.